GitLab or GitHub, which will lead for developers in 2024. A look at GitLab. GitLab is a web-based Git repository manager that provides a complete DevOps platform for software development teams. With its robust set of features, including version control, issue tracking, continuous integration, and deployment pipelines, GitLab has become a favorite among developers looking for an all-in-one solution. A look at GitHub. GitHub, on the other hand, is a code hosting platform that offers version control using Git. It has long been a go-to choice for software developers, boasting a vast community of users and repositories. GitHub is known for its user-friendly interface, social coding features, and extensive integration options. GitHub's emphasis on open-source projects and community involvement has made it a hub for collaboration and innovation. Comparison of GitLab and GitHub. When comparing GitLab and GitHub, several key differences emerge. While both platforms offer version control and collaboration tools, GitLab stands out for its comprehensive DevOps capabilities, including built-in C/CD pipelines and Kubernetes integration. GitHub, on the other hand, excels in its social coding features and vast ecosystem of third-party integrations. The future of software development. Both GitLab and GitHub are expected to continue evolving and introducing new features to cater to the changing needs of developers. Conclusion. In conclusion, in the fast-paced world of software development, choosing between GitLab and GitHub can be a tough decision.